Winning mindset for 2025. That is our theme for today. It understands a quote by Whitney M. Young that says, it's better to be prepared and not have the opportunity than to have the opportunity and not be prepared. How many of you are prepared?
A winning mindset isn't just about resilience. It's about the clarity of purpose. Knowing who you are, what you stand for, and why you exist, why your business exists beyond making money.
Comes with authority. Buffett, wherever you are right now, whether you're starting out, whether you're an established business, you are a leader. The team members that you brought that are in this room, you need to be thinking of yourself as a leader. Because when you don't think of yourself as a leader, you cannot develop an entrepreneurial mindset. An entrepreneurial mindset is a tool that a businessman utilizes to run their business. That puts them in a position where they become entrepreneurial in their enterprise. That is why they're able to be disruptive in their businesses and not just businessmen and custodians of their business. Why? Because the winner of the pitching challenge right here in Soweto is...
Dumelang good people, welcome to Kasi Kranke Marvin Dede Tlale. I'm your host and we are grinding until River Pop again despite all the obstacles. So now let's dive into this Kasi Business Workshop Township Economy Alliance.
I need you to give me all the energy that you have. We're starting off strong, we're starting off with a winning mentality, we're starting off with the right energy. Are we together? For today, and we'll unpack how do you build a strong mental foundation? Because you can have the greatest product, the greatest idea, the greatest team, the greatest resources. But if the mind is not strong, the business will crumble. So, we'll look at the mindset, we'll look at clarity, and we've got our exhibitors today. Exhibitors, hello!
Bagaetso, re ithuteng go support local products. In order for the economy to grow, for the township economy to grow, let's support local products. The effort they're able to make to do their crafts. And the rest of it is saying you complain about it, your prices are too high or ganja, just because you're in the township. No, it doesn't matter. Let's support in order for us to grow and then mentor the next person through the knowledge that you have.
Come on, Soweto. Over to you, my brother.
A very good morning to everybody in the room. Thank you so much, Soweto. Welcome to our Soweto edition of Kasi Business Workshop. Tell you more about how we started the journey. It's a journey that started in 2015. This year marks a good 10 years hosting this workshop.
My name is Eyethu Complex and I'm the founder of a fast-growing candle company called The Light Candles. We manufacture premium quality candles of all sizes, shapes, and colors.
Action!
Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. My name is Eyethu Complex. But the project started with zero capital. It was fueled by passion and hunger for success.
Action!
Good day, I'm Greg, the founder of Switzerland Development Project. Switzerland is addressing the issue of food insecurity in Soweto by promoting sustainable organic farming principles and developing food insecurity.
Action!
Pokayamangoni's very most special thing that he wants to deliver is that we want to Africanize what has been westernized in our food market.
Action!
Good day, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nokolo from the company called Nokolo's Touch for Beauty and Perfection Spa. This is where beauty and health
meet together.
2, 1, action.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Patrick Toki. I'm the co-founder of Life and Battle Brands. Our journey started in the retail space in the FMCG. Inspired by what we saw, me and my partner, we also said, let us build a multi-generational legacy where we can bring in our own innovative products that started in the township. So Russian Foods, 100% fruit juice blend, Ekalegas.
It's hot up here. You get better.
Yeah.
You get better. You get better. All right.
A winning mindset isn't just about vision, but it's about having the discipline, the systems, and the follow-through. You can have the best strategy, the most innovative idea, and the clearest of purpose. But if you don't get things done, your business will not survive. And unfortunately, the marketplace only rewards those who deliver and those who deliver consistently. People want to do business with those who show up, those who deliver. So when you think about execution, you have to think about building operational discipline and a reputation of excellence. It's about having those clear goals, clear execution plans, creating repeatable systems, because success is not a one-time event. It's built through habits and structures that you've built into your business that will ensure that you remain consistent. It comes from simple things like showing up on time and prepared. We spoke about that. It comes through things like meeting deadlines. If you say you're going to send me a document on the 21st, make sure that I don't get it on the 27th, but I get it on the 21st. Delivering your service with excellence, solving customer problems before they get escalated. I mean, when you think about Dr. Maponya's early business on delivering milk to customers on his bicycle, he demonstrated an unparalleled work ethic. Rain or shine, the milk was delivered.
Listen to this. It uses cycling to create meaningful experiences in Soweto. Iponi is right here. So if you're talking about a disruption mindset, and what they've done, right? Because must be an apple is like J. But you'll hear about how he's disrupted this industry. Let me repeat that. The business offers discounted bicycle tours in exchange for book donations, which are then donated to the community. Libraries bridging the gap between tourism and education. I'm interested to find out more about this business. But one thing it's truly doing, it's disrupting.
Was raised in has shaped me to be who I am namhlanje. And yeah, in 2015 I started Iponi. I did not finish isikolo because, many challenges, but also because, when you grow up in Kasi, all you want to be is a soccer player. We used to watch Otawomoki and, wanted to be a soccer player, but parents were like, no, go to school. So I went to school. By the time I finished school, I was old. So I couldn't run with I'm a 2K. So then I decided, if I can't run with them, I will use a bicycle. That's when I started my bicycle tour company.
It's Soweto, and it's a very sad part of business. And I think most of our entrepreneurs in Soweto, that's what we are facing the challenge. Because somebody in a salon, people expect to pay less, just because it's the Soweto. My same team, they're willing to pay 3 times the price. And so one of the reasons I gave still are because location has been a disadvantage for us for so many years. And now it's time to change the story. Now it's time to say Soweto is not a disadvantaged location. Being a Soweto is a prime business location. I'll make an example. I was happy when this guy said NetBank has pocket phones. Don't know how many times back then you go to a bank and apply for a speed point, and they'd be like, please bring a 6-month statement, turnover, all of this, just for a speed point. And right now it's a but it was sad then because we'd have people like, for speed point, and I don't have speed point. And so When the bank rejects you, it's such a hard thing to deal with because we bank with our banks. We trust them with our money. But then let's go put us back dinner. They're the first one to say, 1, 2, 3, oh no, we don't qualify. And so that alone for me was one of the things that made me speak to my other bank to say, please look at how you treat small businesses. Look at how you see the value of them. Because not everybody is corporate, not everybody is private banking, not everybody is has millions in their account, but we aspire for those millions. And if you treat us very decently enough to say, I look at your bank statement, you qualify for a simple speed point. For me, it means a lot as a business person. And so this rejection, and even another rejection is when your own community rejects you. You know, I find that ngaphandle kweSoweto, a lot of people know those things. Not the people versus Soweto. So what has kept me going is that I want more and more. And most of the time when I travel or do a pop-up, I always collaborate with other brands. City Assembly Resort. Because it's lonely in this journey of entrepreneurship. And so when I think Uti Spumati as abantu abamnyama, that's what kept me going. Because we don't have a lot of people to look up to. And for me now, Upasi Soweto, a lot of times people say, why would I live in Masawa City? Why would I live in Senten? But like if I go to a Senten, now the next girl, they won't have anything to look up to. I'm here for the next 30 to say, even though they can do it, I can also do it. So that's why
I love that you mentioned people react a certain way. Sometimes when we're engaging or it's romantic or it's at work, we can pick up on each other's or our own personal negative traumas for the things that we've built, that we've gone into. Which means that the type of mindset that you're going to need to have going into this year is a mindset that says you're going to be open-minded to every piece of information that comes across you, but you don't necessarily need to take every piece of information. So the best way to ingest any information is number one, to unpack a simple thing in building capacity. Open yourself up to saying, I'm going to take in this new information. The second thing, convert that information or that commentary that was given to you and start to ask yourself shift questions. So from the presentation that was made by Uli a bit earlier on, and then we'll be talking to an amazing lady during our Maula chat. Start to ask yourself, when you then listen to that information, don't externalize the listening to that information, but ask yourself, is it relevant to my business? Is it relevant to my staff members? Is it relevant to my stakeholders? How can I utilize this to grow? Because when you start to ask questions in that very manner, what you are doing is that you are priming yourself to be able to answer the questions that you might have a challenge with, and questions that you might not necessarily even be aware of the fact that you need to talk to. So the mind is the most powerful organ within your body. It is the winner of the pitching challenge right here in Soweto is Eyethu Complex.
My brother, congratulations. What does this mean to you and how is this going to help you grow your business?
This means the world to me. I think for the longest of time, I've been building my business for the past 4 years, and it's been quite tough, especially getting into the retail space, and that was very much needed for the growth that I need for my business. So this money will go towards investing into professional packaging, which will enable us to get into retail and definitely creating jobs.
Fantastic.